Hello everyone, welcome to our TESOL Global YouTube channel. This is our Raspberry Pi for Embedded Computing video series. In today's video, we'll mainly discuss how to interface the Raspberry Pi camera with Raspberry Pi 5. Camera interfacing is one of the most interesting part of using Raspberry Pi. There are different versions of cameras in Raspberry Pi. We'll mainly talk about some of the popular versions. So first one is camera module version 1, which is a 5 megapixel camera and it has OmniVision OV5647 sensor. Then we have camera module version 2, which has 8 megapixel camera and it has Sony IMX219 sensor. Then there is camera module version 3, which also has a wide version. It has 12 megapixel Sony IMX708 sensor. So in this video, we'll mainly use camera module version 3 and we'll use wide version of it. So next one is high quality camera, which is 12.3 megapixel Sony IMX477 sensor. So next we will see the camera connector for Raspberry Pi 5. In Raspberry Pi 5, there are two camera connectors. So those are two 4-lane MiPi connectors. So it mainly is 15 pin to 22 pin flexible CSI. In previous version of Raspberry Pi, which is Raspberry Pi 4, there was 15 pin CSI flexible cable connector. But in the current version or in the Raspberry Pi 5 version, we have 22 pin flexible CSI connector or cable. Now we'll show how to connect the camera and cable to the Raspberry Pi 5. Before going ahead, we'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel if you are benefited from our content. Also click the ring bell to get notification whenever our new video will be released. It's just show more than 80% of our viewers didn't subscribe to our channel. So please subscribe and help us to grow our channel so that we can provide much more quality contents like this. So now I'll show how to connect the camera to the Raspberry Pi 5. We'll use camera module 3 wide version for Raspberry Pi. And here we have the camera cable, which is mainly 15 pin to 22 pin CSI cable. So to connect the cable to the camera, you have to look carefully these pins, and here you will have to look this part where the pins are coming out. So this will go in like this, and you'll have to click the connector pins properly. So here you can see the pins, those are in the front side. If you see carefully, you can see this. Now we'll connect the connector side to the Raspberry Pi. Here you can see these pins, it will face to the Ethernet cable. So it will go in like this, and you'll have to click the connector properly. We connected the cable to cam 0 port. So now the camera is connected with Raspberry Pi 5. So now we are in the desktop of Raspberry Pi 5 and it is mainly remote desktop. In one of our previous videos, we show how you can install the remote desktop. First of all, we'll show how to use the camera using terminal. So if you click the terminal, here to access the camera or to check if the camera is connected or not, you'll have to type rpy-cam space hello. So now if we enter, it will bring up the camera window from where you can see the camera is working or is interfaced properly. So this mainly makes sure the camera is properly connected to the CSI port. So next, to take a still picture with the camera, you have to type rpy cam dash still space dash o space desktop slash, you have to give the name for the image or what name you want to use to save the image, and then dot jpg. So this is the version of the image we will save. So now if we click enter, it will save the image in the desktop. Here you can see now in the desktop the image is saved. Now to record a video, you have to type rpy cam dash video dash o, then desktop slash video, and we'll save it as mp4 format. Now if you click enter, it will record a video and it will save it in the desktop. So here is saved. Now if we want to see the video, if you just double click, it will show you the video. Now I will show how you can write Python codes to capture image or save video using Raspberry Pi camera. So again, you have to go to the Raspberry Pi operating system icon, then go to Thonny to open IDE to write the Python code. So in the first example, we have the Python code to preview the camera window. So here first we imported the time library, then we imported the camera library. Next we created an object to reference the camera library. Next we have qtgl command, which will mainly use GPU to display the image. Then we started the camera, give a 5-second time delay, and after 5 seconds we'll close the camera window. Next, if we run this program, it will bring up the qtgl preview window and it's mainly showing the camera output. So after 5 seconds the window will go away. In the next example, we'll see how you can rotate the camera. So it's similar to the previous code. The only change here is we imported transform from lib camera library. This is also a camera library which is built in the Raspberry Pi 5 operating system. And in the other part of the code, here with the qtgl preview command, we just mentioned how to flip the camera. So here we said horizontal flip is true and vertical flip is true, which means the camera will be flipped 180 degree. Now if we run this command, you can see the camera is flipped 180 degree. The next code we'll see how to capture image using Python code. Here again we have the first part of the code is same as the previous one, and here the extra line is we are using pycam2.start and capture file, and here we mentioned where we want to save the image, so which is the desktop. You can also save the image in other folders or the folder where you are saving your Python code. So here is one example. So if you use this code, then it will save your image in the folder where you have the Python codes. So now if we run this command, it will capture the image and it saved the image in desktop. So this is our new image. If we double click, it will bring up the image. So in the last example, we'll see how we can record the video using Python code and save it in the desktop. So here is the Python code to record the video. So the first part of the code is same as our previous code. So this is only the new line which is saying PyCam2 is start and record video, and is asking to save this video, the MP4 video file, into the desktop. So again, if you want to save it to the other folder, you can give the location of that folder here, or if you remove this part, then this will save the video in the folder where you have your Python code saved. Along with this, you also have to mention for how long you want to record the video, and with this show preview equal to true, it means it will show you the video record preview window. Now if we run this command, then it will bring up the preview window where the video is being recorded, and the video is now saved into desktop. So now if we double click the video, it will bring up the video window. So this is the end of this video. You can find the details in our TESOL Global website as well. In our next video, we'll show how you can interface a third-party camera with Raspberry Pi 5. So please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'd like to thank those who already subscribed and helping us to grow our channel. Add likes and comments and give us suggestion of what kind of video you want us to make. Follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter or X, and in Facebook. Thank you for watching. See you next time.